Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are down in Bangkok's Chinatown, Yaowarat Road, and I'm with my friend Sky.
Hi everyone, hi. I was born pretty close to here, so we're going to go try some of my favorite places in Yaowarat.
All right, that sounds good. We got to take a little walk up the road here. Yaowarat Road is the main road going through Chinatown, and it's always just packed with people, traffic. Especially after dark, it just gets absolutely insane. So let's go check it out. Wow. What's that with the shrimp tails coming out? That's sort of cool.
This is tofu. It's made from crab, and it's with like a sweet plum sauce. So we can have one of these shrimps, 5 pieces, and then tofu. Yeah?
Cool.
ขอtofuที่นึงแล้วก็ขอกุ้งค่ะ
So as you can see, it is just absolute pandemonium down here. So many people coming out to enjoy a nice meal after work, after the sun goes down, cools down a little bit. To start off, we saw this cool little stall that has gyoza, but oversized with the shrimp tail coming outside, which I thought looked interesting. So let's go take a look.
The second one is made from crab. It's called chapu, and it's one of the most popular dishes here. What people normally do is go inside here, and then we just have a little snack.
All right, like right here?
Yeah, like literally they just like stand here and then eat, and then to the next one.
We're gonna see what this tastes like.
Oh.
All right, so how should I attack this?
Do you want to use a chopstick or do you want to use your hands?
Probably hands is a better idea right here.
But it is going to be super hot.
We'll see how that goes with the chopsticks maybe.
Yeah.
Luckily, I've got skills. Oh yeah. Straight out of the oil. Very crunchy. You know, I'm not finding the shrimp yet.
Really?
Where's the shrimp? I got some pork so far, I think.
Bite a little further. Bite a little further.
Gotta go a little more. All right, so this end of the dumpling is like pork, and I'm eating my way towards the shrimp here. Oh, there we go.
Woo, Eureka.
Buried in there. All right. Do they just serve it with like soy sauce, or what, does it come with any sauces?
You can have your own soy sauce, or for the second dish, there's this plum sweet sauce that you're supposed to put on. And this is tofu, and I think it's mostly crab. Mostly.
Wow, what's that bit there in the middle?
So there's onions and garlic, lots of garlic inside. It's tasting a little bit salty, not very fishy, but really, really crunchy. And of course, deep fried. I think it's mixed with pork as well.
So would you call this Chinese Thai food then?
Yes, absolutely. This is Chinese Thai food.
Okay. So the Chinese love to mix pork into just about everything. So it doesn't surprise me they've got some in here. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Right? You like it?
Yeah, the crab. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Imitation crab?
Probably.
Probably.
Yeah. All right, that was a really good first snack. We're gonna keep walking down the street, see what else there is here. good to see people coming back to Bangkok. Maybe let's cross over here. Crossing the street in Chinatown is always fun. Check this out. All right, safe and sound. Now what the heck is that? Shark fin?
Yeah, I think so. Let me ask her. Oh yes, yes, that's shark fin.
Wow, that shark fin is about 100 USD just for that one fin. Must taste pretty good.
So this is like kind of like porridge type thing, and then you order lots of little things to eat on the side.
Which restaurant do these tables belong to, though?
That's the $1,000,000 question. Sometimes it's the closest one, and sometimes it's the one right by the end of the soy.
Interesting. One of these ones looks cool.
This is batangko, which is like a dessert, fried like a flour with pandan sauce or custard sauce.
So these guys have just like a bunch of things and you can just pick them.
Yeah, so they have a bowl of rice each, and then you have like sides to share.
I've been wanting to try that crab meat egg thing.
Okay, so these are two different restaurants.
Yeah.
So this one is like they have the crab meat or all of this for 100 baht. So these are like single dishes. Let's try it.
Crab fried rice with egg here.
It's khao pad, which is fried rice at the bottom, and then eggs just kind of floating on top.
Okay, cool. It looks like really juicy and tasty, so I'm excited. Food just came.
Woohoo!
Wow, look at this thing. So we've got a whole bunch of, it looks like, is that cheese or just egg yolk?
Just egg yolk.
Yeah, so we've got some really rare egg mixed in with some crab bits on top of fried rice and some lime, cucumber, green onion. Ladies first.
Alrighty, let me serve up. That's a bit of a spicy seafood sauce that we like to put on anything seafood related.
2 and 3.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That egg, isn't it? So soft and silky.
Oh, the egg is so soft and you got that crab in there. Oh, delicious. That's real crab for sure. Not like some of the fake stuff around the corner. Oh, the egg is like just this really thin layer of egg on top of the rice. I wonder how they get it so thin and keep it so rare still. It's not very cooked at all.
No, we should try it with the sauce as well.
Here's this seafood green sauce. Try a little bit of that. Ooh, yeah, you can smell it. Look at this. I mean, ooh, so soft and juicy.
So lots of spices in here, lots of lime. Even better. Even better.
Like a green salsa you'd see in like Mexican food a little bit. Not too spicy, just really savory.
There's a little like tang on the front of your like tongue. It's actually spot on.
Okay, now for the spicy vinegary one.
Yeah?
Really nice. Yeah, really, really nice. Sky, do you have this dish often?
Yeah, this is one of our staples in Thailand. Just, stir fry with lots of egg, lots of garlic, and a bit of spices.
And is it weird to be having this for dinner, or is that pretty normal?
No, it's pretty normal. But like Thai people, we love to share food, so we would have this with other dishes as well.
So if I want to have this for breakfast, would I be weird?
No, absolutely not.
This is like perfect breakfast food for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, do Thais even eat breakfast? I feel like Thais don't wake up until 10 a.m., right? This city, people seem to really like to sleep in and stay up late.
That's true. Before COVID, Chinatown used to run, it was 24 hours. You know, people would come here at 2, 3, 4 in the morning after a night out and would just destroy the food that they eat here. So, yeah, it was pretty nice back then.
Well, hopefully soon it'll be that way again. All right, that was really delicious. We're gonna walk towards this really cool bar that Sky knows about. If you wanna come here and try this, I'll put a link down in the description below.
So that's what Mangkok.
We are now over at Soi Nana. Do not get this confused with Nana Plaza, which is one of the more infamous red light areas of Bangkok. Soi Nana is a very cool Brooklyn hipster type of place. All of these bars on this little street are in these great old buildings that have been revamped. There's a lot of expensive cocktails here, basically. It's a place for the artist, Williamsburg type crowd. I've heard so much about this place, but it's my first time coming here, so excited to see what they have to offer.
So this is Wallflower.
All right, this is pretty cool. It's very like bohemian style, Burning Man. How about blood in the sand?
Blood and sand?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you. This place is very hip. Dark, sexy lighting, expensive, beautiful looking cocktails, cool music. Sky, what are you gonna try?
The Love Wall. Passion fruit, orange juice, vanilla, lemon juice, and sparkling water. It's beautiful. Wow, that's delicious. Lemony, kind of fruity kind of flavors. I've got a strawberry and orange in here as well. Blueberries and pomegranate. So nice.
All right, mine's a little more simple. It's Johnny Walker Black, vermouth, orange, and cherry.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, delicious. Wallflower, check it out. We got one more spot to see. Let's go. Wait, so what goes in the basket? They use this basket to carry stuff up to the higher level.
So this is Tap Bar here. Is it open? Oh, they have music.
They're hauling the drinks up in a basket.
This is the only Thai bar that has traditional Thai music. So this cocktail is in a very typical Thai bucket. Normally for Songkran. So this cocktail dish is called Songkran, right? Sweet and minty.
Mine has whiskey and cinnamon. Yeah, nice. are silkworms, which is a new thing for me. Sky, what should I expect these to taste like?
It actually tastes a little bit creamy, but salty. I really like them.
Is it soft and gooey in the middle?
Depending on the silkworm. You just ate the spice, didn't you?
I just ate the pepper.
Try again. Silkworm this time.
I was like, I'm gonna grab the biggest silkworm I can find and eat it. That silkworm was a very spicy pepper. Whoa. That is intense.
Kind of creamy, right? Like inside.
Texture's good. It's got a nice saltiness. I do wish it was a little crunchier, but it's definitely got a little bit of that sort of seafoody aspect that you find in crickets. Go back and watch my Cambodia video where I ate the crickets. I talk about that a little bit. It's a weird seafoody sort of vibe. Takes some getting used to. Time for a little bit of this.
So we finished our drinks and we're going to take off. I hope you enjoyed the video.
As always, thanks for watching this video and check out these other videos about food and travel in Asia.